Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can bucket your answer to use as a filter in your dashboards. Alright, so let's say we're looking at this data here and we want to create a territory field based off of this US region answer they chose. Alright, so how I would do it would be I would grab this field and I can go ahead and just put it in a new sheet real quick, paste it here, and I'll go to data and remove duplicates. All right, now there could be better ways of doing this or an easier way for you. This is the route that I would take. Next, I would look at the distinct values. I would then create a crosswalk to bring in what my territories are. So let's say let's go with these are all part of the central territory. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this here. And let's do all of these are central. Well, let's do, these are going to be our east. And then Pacific, maybe just our west. All right. So we want to create a new field called territory where every time it sees this, it's going to bring this over. Now, if I'm doing an Excel, I'll just do a simple VLOOKUP. So I'm going to put territory here and I'm going to do a VLOOKUP equation where I'm going to look up my region here and I'm going to do it here and I'm going to fix it by doing F4 and I'm going to bring over the second column, which will be our territories, and it's going to be a false because I want an exact match. All right, so then I'll click on the cell, double click this to bring it down, and now you see we have this territory field. Now let's go ahead and save this somewhere. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and bring up VizualSurvey. Let's go ahead and grab that file, and it's going to then upload, and it's going to have that extra column in it. Now you can do this up front in the beginning, or if you already have done your workflow, just refresh the file with all the same exact columns you had before, and now with this additional column, which we're going to use as a filter. All right. So then in the prep data stage, all you're going to have to do is go to this one here, which is that new territory, do filter. We're going to call this territory, and then we're going to use this use as filter only option. Now, when we do that, it's going to gray this out because it's not going to show it in the visualization. It's just going to show it in the filter shelf. All right. So once again, you can do this in the beginning or you can do this at the end. It doesn't matter, but that is how you would create a bucket, or at least that's how I would create it, so that you can use that as a filter in your dashboard. All right. Well, that's it for this one.